Right, okay, so introduction to Defunc True. So this is a true wireless product. What we've got is we've got gold color and black color. I've unboxed the black, the gold is still packaged up there, so that's as they come. So you've got power bank and then the two earbuds there as well. We'll come into that a little bit more in a sec. So obviously the package in there. The black ones here I've already opened, as I said before, so these ones are ready to be demonstrated. If you look on the side of the package in there, it actually gives you some information on the products themselves. So it lets you know that you've got 3-hour playtime on the earbuds. The battery capacity is 60 hours and it also has a microphone built in, and then your wireless distance of 10 meters there as well. That's using Bluetooth 5.0. So what you get in the box, you get the manual, okay, many different languages in the manual there. Won't go too deep into the manual though. Warranty card, you get a USB charging lead, and you get some alternative rubber earbud covers. They already come with medium on them, and you got small and large ones in here as well, so should fit most ears. You also get a little bag, okay, so it's a Defunc branded little drawstring bag to keep your power bank in, keep it nice and safe and protected. And then the product itself over here, if you take the power bank out for a start, okay, so you've got a 2100 milliamp power bank here, okay, and it says on the bottom here all the information, okay. You've also got a little button there, you press that button, it indicates how much charge the power bank has. So it's fully charged at the moment, as you can see. You've got a USB port on there and a micro USB port. The micro USB port is to charge the power bank. Then you've got a USB port there as well, so that you can actually charge your mobile phone from this as well if your mobile phone battery is running low, which is obviously very handy. In the top, you've got 2 ports, which is where your earbuds go. So let's get the earbuds out. So here we have the Defunc earbud. Okay, like I say, it's already got the medium housing on there. On the top there, it lets you know which side you've got, so that's left because it's got a little L on it, and then this one obviously has a little R on it for the right side. Okay, so the earbuds themselves, they have a click function, if you can hear that. So basically what you've got there is 1 click play, 1 click pause, double click to skip a track. Very good. That's when you're listening to music, obviously. You can also answer the phone call and hang up the phone call from there as well if you've got a phone call coming through, and they have a mic built into them so that you can actually take the call using these as well, which is very handy. So they're in stereo sound obviously when they're in your ears when you're listening to music, but then when a call comes through, the left one goes mute and the call comes through on the right side. Okay, so like I say, that's the earbuds themselves. Very good little design. They fit in the ear very well. I've been using mine now for about a week, and they have been very good. So yeah, I'm very pleased with the product. So again, going back to the power bank, you've got the ports in the top there. Okay, this is probably one of the coolest features, is the fact that when you finished using your earbud, you can just pop it into the hole there and it just clips into place and starts charging. Okay, same with the other side, obviously just pop it in there, it clips in. Now it's a nice magnetic solid kind of click there, so as I say, it's magnetic, so you can turn them upside down, give them a good shake and they don't come out. Okay, and then like I say, they charge in there. As indicated on the box, it's a 60-hour power bank, which basically means that you get 3 hours per charge for the earbuds, and then you can charge them 20 times basically, so they'll last you a very long time. The idea is that you can go away with these, whether it may be on holiday or away on a business trip or something like that, and you shouldn't have to charge the device. So there we have it. So like I say, that's a very quick brief introduction into Defunc True. Like I say, I've been using mine for about a week now. Been very good product. The audio quality is very good, very clear, and yeah, like I say, I'm very pleased with it. You can buy these now on Amazon. They're also available in multiple retail outlets worldwide. So yeah, grab yourself a pair, you won't be disappointed. There's a lot of cheaper versions of the wireless earbuds on the market, but these ones are very premium for the price. They're not as expensive as some of the top names, but I believe that the quality is as good, if not better, than a lot of the ones you pay a lot of money for. And the cheaper ones you'll generally get 1 or 2 charges out of before they run out of battery, so sometimes not very good if you're even out for a day, let alone more than a day. So again, finally, it's a very good product, very nice, very pleased with it. Goes nicely into the drawstring bag here, so you can keep them nice and secure, and there we go. So that's my review of the Defunc True Wireless. Thanks for watching.